Vlogmas day 23. We are so close to Vlogmas being over, you guys. I can't even believe it, okay? I cannot believe that Vlogmas is already about to be over, honey. Like, what? I hope you guys have enjoyed the Vlogmas video so far that I have put up, and other YouTubers as well. I know all of us YouTubers work really hard to bring you guys some really good content and some really good vlogs. So hopefully you have enjoyed them so far. If you watch my vlog from yesterday, you know, I wasn't really feeling too good. I'm feeling better today, much better today, actually. Have a little bit more energy. So no matter what, just don't give up. If you have a goal, try to push through as best you can, you know, and if you just can't, then it's okay. I'm a little shiny, y'all. But if you can't, it's okay. Just do what you can, you know what I mean? And don't beat yourself up about it. I wanted to come on here and talk about the ugly phase or confidence with starter locks. So I know for me, I started my locks about 3 months ago. And I was concerned, you know, about the ugly phase and what I was going to look like, how they were going to look on my face, you know, and I just feel like if locks are truly meant for you, then you have nothing to worry about. You're going to embrace the entire journey as it comes along. The frizziness, the budding, the so-called ugly phase, which I feel like there really is no true ugly phase. Your locks will do what they're supposed to do as far as your hair and your hair texture, and as long as you embrace it and have that confidence about yourself, then you're going to definitely enjoy your journey. Now, I know that there are some days where your hair may not look like how you want it to look, or it may not cooperate how you want it to. There are those days, but through those days, you still enjoy your locks. You still love your locks. I have in a hairstyle for my retwist. It's a week old today, actually. And it still looks pretty good. So got some coming down. But that is something that you can do during your starter phase. Well, I go to a loctician, so I don't know about y'all, but if you're doing your own locks, you can try to do different hairstyles. I did a go-to hairstyle video that you guys can go check out, and there's plenty others on YouTube. You just have to do your research and try to see what fits best for you. I try to leave this up about a week or two, and then I have about 2 weeks to just let my hair be free, and then I go get it retwisted. So this is what it's looking like right now at a week. I really haven't done too much to it. I haven't even looked at the back. Let me see what the back is looking like. Yeah, they're getting a little loose, but definitely have you a mirror, honey, so that you can see what the back of your locks is looking like, okay? But yes, you guys, I just enjoy it as it comes. I'm going to insert some pictures maybe throughout this video. I didn't want this video to be too long at all. I just wanted to give my people that are starting locks or are concerned about getting locks and concerned about the ugly phase, I want to give you guys some encouragement and to know that you're going to be fine. Your locks are going to be fine. You know, as long as you take care of them and try not to do too much to them, they're going to grow how they're supposed to grow, and they're going to look amazing, and you're going to be amazing, and you're going to feel amazing. I know for me, I wish I had started my locks years ago when I really wanted to. So if you're debating about, should I start them? Should I get them? Da, 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 da. If you really truly feel like you should have locks, get them. Like, the time is now. Okay? Don't wait. I wish I had got mine, like I said, years ago. So yes, you guys, I just wanted to come on here real quick and give some encouragement and let everybody know that, you know, locks are going to do what they're going to do, and just to embrace it. That's the easiest and best thing to do as far as confidence level with locks. And because I was worried about like my face looking super chubby and, you know, how I was going to look in pictures. But honestly, like I said, best decision I ever made, like hands down, for my hair. I feel like they're growing really, really good. Here soon, I'll be doing a style takedown video, and y'all get to see what my retwist looks like after about 2 weeks of me having up this hairstyle. So if you guys have any other videos that you guys would like for me to make about locks, please leave them down below in the comment section. I love reading you guys' comments and responding back to you guys. So please like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. I love y'all so much, and I will see y'all in Vlogmas Day 24. Bye.